Akachukwu na-anya ebe a nwanne nwoke bụ one of the biggest man enwe na the whole of Anambra State. But Akachukwu chọchara business ọ ya eme ọ bụrụ ya na Ochiagha na-egbusisi ndị Anambra State. Let me say this before we continue. Ọkwa ifo any community na ala Igbo insecurity beyond the place ekwe ha kwụsị. O nwere capable hands ndị gbacharite na that community so akọsụ that insecurity. Maka na ndị Igbo si na na adịghị mma bụ ulu ndị nze. But in ife these capable hands na-eme, some of them may be the richest na that community. You will think na onye a nwere ego ọya debo dịrị ya asị. Most of them ma ọ bụ nwanne ha na-eso ife na akọsụ insecurity. Or the only way insecurity ga-eji wee sustain war na any community na ala Igbo. Now, ọ na-afụgo Akachukwu onye Ochiagha ọsụohu na-use account ya wee na-eme all manner of despicable things. Akachukwu can tell me na ọ mara onye Ochiagha. Akachukwu can tell me na ọ mara ife Ochiagha na-eme. But Akachukwu welcomed Ochiagha. Ochiagha na-heap money into his account. Akachukwu na-anya ebe a nwanne nwoke bụ one of the biggest man enwe na the whole of Anambra State, or the highest record distributor enwe na the whole of Anambra State. Ọ nwanne but Akachukwu chọchara business ọ ya eme ọ bụrụ ya na Ochiagha na-egbusisi ndị Anambra State. Now what happened? Mgbe Spider Intel bido trace ka ebe bụ the final bus stop of ego Ochiagha na-epush na account Akachukwu kele ebe ọ na-aga from account Akachukwu. Spider wee chọpụta na the ego na-eje Ebonyi State. Ime onye the ego na-aga na Ebonyi State Amdila na onye akịda afọ onye anụ abụọ Ebonyi Special. Ife ji akpụ ya Ebonyi Special bụ because of a very sophisticated weapon ọ na-ele ọ maka ka eji etu ya Ebonyi Special. Ife Spider Intel me bụ a move immediately made this Ebonyi Special arrest. Mgbe emere Ebonyi Special arrest, I buy into his account. Wherefore, 10 million see from Ochiagha. Ebe the ego see from Akachukwu's account to Ebonyi Special's account. Ewembe Ebonyi Special arrest. Me Akachukwu arrest. Me Azia POS arrest. And let me tell you, do you know how they move their weapon? Anytime Akachukwu punyele Ebonyi Special ụgwọ n'afa Ochiagha, they will conceal the weapon inside bags of Gary. Remember how they move here to Anambra State, Nnewi to be precise. How move it to Nnewi? Then another transportation will move it from Nnewi to Azia Junction. Then you Azia Junction. It was only that receive here the chief security of Azia, Mr. Governor. Actually, Nazia, if I were ESN command, not security, as they claim. Aloy wele bonye na bia e receive Ochiagha weapon e move from a boy down to Nnewi, from Nnewi to Azia Junction. Then Aloy wele will now will move to this security bia bulu mgbe na egbe bujeno Ochiagha. How do I know this? The girl I'm arrested, the POS girl bu girlfriend Aloy wele.
I slept inside the main house.
Then he slept in your room?
Yes.
Okay, you left your room and Aloy now took over your room. Okay. Aloy, how many times have you seen him with Ochiagha?
I've seen him with Ochiagha more than 4 times.
Doing what with Ochiagha?
Talking with him.
Where are they talking?
At Ogumazia.
How many times has Ochiagha come to your house, in the Barrister Akachukwu's house, to see Aloy?
You've never come there before.
You've never come there before?
Yes.
Okay.
And the POS girl said everything on your record. Mr. Governor, sir, if you go, if there will be problem, and I believe, Neema, Naka, some capable people, they need to never Azia. I'm a Neema. But I told you, now the chief security, not under the control of Ochiagha.
Now, what do you have to tell me about the man named Aloy?
What I have to say is that he's a security man in Azia. He buys things for Ochiagha.
He buys things for Ochiagha. How?
You do instruct him to buy things.
Who instructs him to buy things?
Ochiagha.
Ochiagha used to instruct Aloy to buy things
Yes.
for his camp.
Yes.
So how do you know that Ochiagha used to instruct Aloy to buy things for his camp?
Because once if they do transfer, the person that you normally send, Otu, will come and tell me that this money now, that it will be given to Aloy to use and buy foodstuffs for them.
So when they send money to your account from their sponsors, they will allocate part of the money to Aloy. Like how much do you used to give to Aloy?
I don't know. The only money I know about is the one he's using to buy food for them. And he even used to add his own to it.
To buy food for them?
Yes.
How does he take the food to them?
At times, they used to send someone or bike will carry the thing.
Now, how do you happen to know so much about Aloy?
Because we have dated before.
Aloy used to be your man friend?
Yes.
Okay. And where does Aloy stay?
He stays at Azia.
In whose house?
He stays at Akachukwu house.
Aloy stays in Akachukwu's house at times. And other times in where?
I don't know. He normally stays outside.
In which house? In which room in Akachukwu's house does he stay?
My room.
Chief Security, Aloy. And the only Azia Anambra, many places, and when Igbo, including Imo State, because without them capable, or how can that is here without them? Now, I don't go to get to be fair Ochiagha. Listen to him.
After all, when I come to you, I come for rescue. Every your property is okay, I come against you. I come for your rescue. Please, my brother, because don't judge me with my voice, please. I didn't consign me. And the only other about so committee, I don't know. But please, in that your account, I can't see it. You have been the number, I can't scam Mary, be aware, please. And then I'm be aware of those things. And the reason today, we can be 2-3 days, but in actually 2-3 days. I follow those cases. You have to do what you directly because I'm not that POS. No, man, and that's what I'm on you. No, that's man. I can't imagine a borrow. Maybe see a book up in here and you are okay. I don't know back. The lawyer would have POS, please. No, I'm going to try to understand me. Please, you will hear me. I will let you do my POS is your own because I'm going to go to them. I will have the money because I can't even have money. They will quickly return. I will do the ready.
Anụrụ m ihe i kwuru biko to start with POS ahụ bụ nwa m nwoke Chimezie ka m nyere ya ọ na-afịa ka ọ dị ha na-eme ya afa m adịghị na ya aka m adịghị na ya onye na-amaneji onye nwe ebe a na-amaneji ya bụ Chimezie credible onye ọbụla nọ n'Azia ama afa dị POS bụ credible enterprise anwere m akaụntụ ebe ahụ anwekwu m access to it mana ọkwa isi okay chere no ke enu ihe
yourself with your mouth. This is a simple something.
Mana shene kari ge ntị ka enu ihe
excuse me. Only the type of people. Only the type of people. Is like this type of something. Not for somebody like me. Not to somebody like me. Don't even try it. Try it. And I don't want to hear it. Don't ask your senior brother Kenneth. You know that I'm provoking. And now we walk on. I'm not begging you. That is number one. You will keep it in mind. Isn't like your POS. Go and check. Can we continue the number? And then you can have 2 or 3 days. And you don't tell you one day work out. You will touch your brother. And you will touch your entire family. follow. I don't matter what I got. I'm talking my detaining him and you're not come. Nobody, but are you stupid? And they respected you. See what you're going to do. You're not going to need him. Not particularly him. You don't want to. You're not going to Mama. Okay, be very careful. I never said to Mama. I know I'm going to one over this. She said one over this job. I'm not going to I never said to Mother. And you come out here no. I can't support Brown now. I'm not looking at your face here. Because you're able to confirm to God who met me. But I don't want to cause somebody else. Tell me witness. Okay, you got to give 2 days. 2 days, can you carry whatever you see, you take it. And the day you're what I said, you will run. Only that you, particularly, you will run, but you have shown yourself. Only that you will run with the money, but you have not done your so God bear me witness. And I will damage you, I will do you homeless, and the matter may friend. You should never give please and the please. Let the money be here to you want to learn. And I will laugh now. Nobody will be right. You want to send it out, act for them. You want to my dad to be all and never. You want to for mercy more to you make get it to let me put who is all of the POS. Before that's me more than that's me my account. You want to put who is the owner of the POS? I don't know okay. This I can say you. Because of you. Because of you. You know, to go at them for if you take up because of you, particularly Batadia, or maybe the Monazia. Or maybe the Monazia. I just about more attack, we make it because of you, but I did no problem. I better like it. Oh, I can't need record. Send it to your brother Kenneth. My brother, my friend, you are not giving me money, and I'm not giving you money, and I'm not begging you for anything, and you are nothing. In fact, even though I put that in back, make it change, put evidence for your laptop with evidence, and then put you up here, or make anything in your but I didn't ask. And the one more against here, I come up with I didn't ask, but listen carefully. And don't believe that we were the king of you able to POS with your POS. Under 2 days, Akachukwu, into the Batasia, who come at the Batasia, who are publicly and natural. All the women for tennis, Namuti, regular POS, the lawyer can not talk. Men to best with a prayer. When I'm making a moment to spare you to pay more. I'm going to give him what he 2 good days. Minus 2 good days, how much is that your money? What did you confirm your relationship? Minus this 2 days, okay. Who are you want to be anyone here? I tell you, Caprilla. I'm going to give him what he bye bye. You 2 days. 2 days, can you? Because we made you homeless. I don't know them and don't last year. More many them in Asia. To go to who made me who got out of the large again. I didn't know your name. Your name. Can't have a message to this, and I'm going to look at it. And I could exactly. You're going to be most of 12. You're going to go on with the POS. I can only give you. No, I got to get around. Then I act again. On your POS, get a long joy. No, you can't run the business. Okay, let the night again. Now let the night go. Okay, you're going to come back. Keep it. Keep it.
Ochiagha, eziokwu echen na mgbe ị kpọrọ na fon echen na mgbe ị kpọrọ na fon n'ihi ege m ntị ka ịnụ ihe m na-ekwu maka ngwa jụọ ọnụ
I do something with that. I think very careful. Who is the owner of this POS? You know, you make the use of that POS. Let me tell you, because now I'm not giving a card to come here. I don't know what. Who is the owner? What's the owner? I don't see. I'm like, I don't know what POS here. What's the owner? What's the owner? Okay.
Money when I get ejuru mụnwa ejuru mụnwa ejuru mụnwa mana ihe m na-ekwu bụ chere nụ na chere ọ bụrụ mana nsogbu adịọ na ihe m na-ekwu na ihe m na-ekwu ọ bụrụ na ihe mere otu a chere gị nụ ntị hello ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu asị m n'ihe mee otu a na ihe ihe eme bụ otu i siri kpọọ m ị karị ige m ntị ekwuchara m ihe m na-ekwu ọ bụrụ na m bidoro ikwu okwu ịbaba mba ọ bụrụ na mba mgbe ize kpọrọ m ịkarị ibido ịba mba mana ọ bụrụ na ị kpọrọ m nwe ihe gwara m ịkarị igezi ntị nụ ihe m ma aza gị iwe bebanụ mba
No joy for me, no joy for one day, no joy. No single joy. That's one thing you be in mind. I'm inside this bush. No joy, my brother. Put me everywhere, but no joy. No happiness for one day. Don't people go to now. What do you know something now? You know Bob can after that can't. Bob get that can't. Bob can better do after that. Okay? No joy for me. To go to no like that catalog and I'm here for grassroots. I go direct, I told you, let me go straight. If you reply my man, reply like your man. Problem between me and your family. Because what I believe, I believe in my family is bad. Because I'm not about today, your senior brother, you get a sim stop there. I'm on your and that's all anything what he cause problem between men on one. Because I never meet him, I'm not meet him, I'm not about the one you grow back, the one you Jimmy heading to. It's like between me and you. Between me and you and the government. Go on over the with your no, okay.
Between me and you and government. Can what about Omore ihe gọọmenti dịkwa n'ihe okay biko ya batabene chere ka mbịa
and then we make the name and then we put let us no problem. I get no problem with anybody. This is my own team. I'm not supposed to talk. I have to tell you like this. I'm not this morning. I'm annoyed. Because when you see the work of that, I could
ọ ka nsịkwa so iwu onye ọzọ ka ị na-ebukwasa m iwu onye ọzọ ka ị na-ebukwasa m maka mbe bakwara nkịta aka iwu onye ọzọ na isi n'agha pụta
and it's pure. It's not very good purity. What you will do to confirm that because they make up for you. You want to enjoy your to enjoy your then they go to the another way to my you know this then your account. I send them account I transfer that money. When they don't come on who they cook. Only the maybe I can make any other. When they need the body any other. I think I get it to a small number to the secretary. You people will be happy. I know we say you know that is also the answer. You know that is also the answer. Because somebody can answer, but if you're down, the Lord had them got on here. Don't get peace by that, not good. I'm not your home. What I make any this? Oh, we take it now. Only here now. We don't get it now. Or we get down, got on here. We don't throw back and got on here. By then, I'm making all the top alley. And then what is late is late. So please, and we are not begging. No war, because I am legally more like I need now. Let war be coming. All the people I prepare myself for my move. So my brother, please.
Hello?
My brother said, today. But only the thing you need a minimum. Please, I confirm all this money.
achọrọ m ịjụ ọ bụrụ na ihe ị gebere m ntị akara m ịjụ gị ka enu ihe m gwara gị akara m ịjụ gị ego one dị ihe ahụ ka m mara mkpụ ọnụ onye ọ dị n'afọ ya ma ọ bụ ihe ndị ọzọ ka a mara ihe a ya eme. That was what I wanted to do. Mana ọ na iburu ụzọ baba mba okwe
this morning, take the morning, this morning till now. My package are competence can out. On our back, those other, we are here. Who could have had a I don't know if I can back until the further notice. Please, my brother, let him move your man. We'll do the Baruka. Manama is a lot here.
Eziokwu adị surprise na ịbabara mba ihe m gwara gị bụ ihe dị ebe ibi m iyi aṅụọ m mana asị ya gị na o nwere ihe m na-eme ụmụ na ma ya enyewu aka and asị ya gị na ibu nchi amaka eji na ma na-agba mbọ ka ma mụọ ya apụta ịtọnụzie baba mba ha ịbazie tupu ihe ọzọ nna
ihe chọrọ ọbụ ka dị ebe ahụ ihe gbasara ya na ọ na-arụrụ m ọrụ ọ bụ enyi nwaanyị ọ bụ ihe kọnsaịn omenala ijidechie ya ike ebe ahụ mana ihe dị mkpa bụ onye nwe POS ha na-egonye m tiketi ijidi eti ya so eweli weta in compromise the money ụzọ ego na-abụ ahụ ego nke m na-eweta ego nke ọga the first one 4.5 million. Second one is 3 million. Almost 7.5. Now I go to the email. They go to the POS. I get them. I said the Hana can't tell me.
Eji na-akpa ejikwanụ m ya nwata ka ndị ọka nsiri jebara ọ bụrụ na ya jere isi m orinye eji m the money mana ihe mere bụ ka mmanụ ka mkpọ dị gị ka mara godi ma o nwere ihe to ya esi chọrọ ka amara nụ ma ọ dị ya ọ bụrụ na ọ dị ya nwunye ji ego mmadụ eme ịghọtago ihe m na-eme bụ ihe a m gwara gị I will make call kpọọ the guy Chimezie ka o cheki anụ the POS mara ma ụdị ego ahụ ọ batara na ya ọ bụ na ọ batara na ya nyere gị ego ma eri ego mmadụ gwana m ihe ọ na-bụ nnọkọta Ochiagha chegoro ka m bịa mmeje egwu mmanwụ kwere na anyị esiwode mma akpọ ya mana ọ bụrụ na obodo ego dị ya ọ bụ mụ ji nwata asịgị na ọmụ ji ya asịgị na ọmụ ji ya eji onwere egwu agị na ọmụ ji nwata onwere egwu agị na ọmụ ji ya
I will not call you. I'm not even like after. Let's step on my own. Let's step on my own. Let's call him together. Come on, anything. Oh, where you go? Oh, put it into it. I have really again. We have really again. I feel Obama would keep up. Obama would keep up. After you were told your line to direct. After you want to work, you have to hear. There be any cook. Okay, can we see where the back? On young cook, and in no. I did it for 1 day. And nobody would let you. And nobody knows in Akuku. Oh, yeah, we are saying. Not Chaga man get ready. Not Chaga body heading to. And one time for that. And one time for that. We are going to wear no way. That's what I can get. Please, my brother. Here I'm going to Papa, many jobs away. Please, I'm not a free love. We have theory. You can't confirm. Can not beg it. You can't confirm. You can't beg it. And I'm a big mother. It's what you're going to do with I think you were there. That is me for you. And I'm a big going to have a ghost. You're not going to wait into no. I know they take price. You're not going to into no. And I'm a big going to have a ghost. If you give me with your piano, I'm going to give you with your piano, then I collect it for you. I will leave you with your piano. I think it's together. Look at it and I'm going to there are only a plan and the need and the killing. So because one mother, then I said, I also know where you are piano where are you? I told me how the one you cause problem. Yeah, thank you. Give me your number. Come on, get direct. I'm going to have a good amount of money. I got a photograph now. It's only the 10th. The name of that place. And they have a good need. You have a good job. Without the reason there was. So, Obuna, he said, they have to follow that money there. I'm going to allow you here. I'm going to put them in the idea. I'm going to put you I'm going to put you up. I'm going to work.